So I just got this in the mail. This is my new shift knob for my 240. Some of you may recognize it. It is Offbeat's shift knob that he makes for his website. This is just the short one. I didn't want the really long one because I do have a short throw shifter in my car, and that would just kind of defeat the purpose of having a short throw. But it's going in my 95 240 SX S14, the SR20 DET in it. There's that intercooler. I don't know why that hole in the freaking bumper is there. I don't know why. Oh, I gotta give you my keys. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm getting back. Here is my car. There is the beautiful shift knob in the sun. You can actually see it now. So here we go. Old shift knob. It actually is not right. It's so take that out. Put my new one in.
This is taking a long time, but
And there we go. Perfect. Super hyped. Oh, this is so much better. So much better than this thing. Because this thing would just spin around, and it's the original. I mean, but really nice, really clean. Feels amazing. I am so happy that I finally have one that's like quality. There's my nice steering wheel. With no power steering, it's definitely getting its fair share of use. And I'm probably going to get a button for this so I can pull some handbrake turns, but yeah. I haven't shown the interior yet. Still got the back seats, yes I do. A little bit of glass from the window breaking in there, but they're very clean, you know. One crack on the dash right here. Crack in the window, but that's easy fix, not bad. Love this steering wheel, it's so comfortable. It actually doesn't get insanely hot in the sun. You can see I'm holding on to it right now, and it's been in the sun all day. Nope, obviously no power steering and no air conditioning. This does work. Of course I have to turn the car on, but it does work. I'm probably going to get a sub in the back or something. And no, I don't go bumping like crazy. Sorry, I don't do extremely loud music, but I want to at least have some bass of some sort. But yeah. Oh, my ECU is on the floor. Don't mind that. That's just, yeah. When I take people on rides, they accidentally kick it and the car dies out. But I'll have to get that fixed pretty soon, huh? But this is just my quick overview of my car. Not really much on the inside, but under the hood is where it's all at. I'll probably do another detailed video of that later on. Right now I'm literally sweating my balls off, so yeah. Till next time. See you guys.